So hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Gabby here. So I am going to try to use my kitchen equipment, and I know I'm gonna miss them for 2 weeks. I'm not here, so I will try, and also I will show you guys. I haven't done this before as well, so I am going to blend eggs in the blender for 5 minutes. Let's see what's the outcome of it, and I'm gonna cook it. I switched on my oven already, and I have my induction cooker here, which I also need for like a quick putting it in a pan. And of course I have the blender here, so of course the egg. Yeah, so I'm excited. I haven't done this. I will show you, and let's see together what's the result. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull this down. Okay, I'm gonna put that. This one. So open that and have the egg. So normally what I do with the egg is I just open it one by one first before I put it in, because I don't know, maybe this is already spoiled. Yeah, I do this because I try to consume what's in my pantry before we leave. Otherwise, everything will be gone to spoil. Yeah. So I put 5. Okay. Rare to eat it. So we'll see if we can eat it, and we'll see if it's edible. 3. Okay, it's just like me, not really professional on cracking it. Yeah. Okay, last one, this one. Okay, otherwise it's too much. All right, so let's see. 1 second. Okay. So back closer here. Yeah. Here you go. So I was looking for my timer. I looked for a timer because I really wanted to put it as 5 minutes. Okay. This timer. See? 5 minutes. Okay. Well, see what happened to the egg when it's blended for 5 minutes. Look at that. We'll see. look at that, what happened here. So we'll see, and we try to cook it. So this is what happened after 5 minutes of blending it. So it's like creamy egg, but I will try to season it. Of course, we try to eat it, right? We try if it's still edible or what's the outcome of it. So I will try to season it. It's okay. I have salt, right? And I also have some pepper here. Okay, I just want to blend it a little bit because of our seasoning. Just a bit. Alright, that's it. Okay, this machine is kinda take a few seconds to fully stop. Yeah, so just going to put it on the pan. So I'm gonna use my new induction cooker here. Oh, this is actually good because it's locked. I have to press it. Okay. Put the pan. Right, switch it on. Alright. It's exciting. So I would like you guys to see it properly. I don't want it super warm. It's already very warm. So we going to put a little butter here. Okay, instead of oil, I'm using a butter. Okay. Butter here. See the results. I'm so excited. Okay, and there's the egg. Shake, shake, shake. It's like an egg shake, you know? Look at that. Whew. So what will happen now is I'm gonna put these in the oven, okay? Alright, here, I'll put it in the oven. So we are going to wait for a few minutes. The result, yeah. So our egg is there. After like 5 minutes, we'll check now what's the result. Switch this off. This is the result. It's exciting. Okay, I try to pour it in the plates if it's edible. Okay, cool down a bit. Cool down a bit first. Like a cake. Wow, look at that. So look at that. So you see it's the pepper below, but it looks lekker. Yeah. So I'm gonna try it now. I'll put some olive oil on top. Let's see. obviously. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's edible, of course, but it's like a sponge, and it's like a sponge, really. And maybe like if you put a little flour in here, it's like a cake already. But the layers like this, guys. Yeah, it's nice. Maybe if you would like to add some tomatoes and spinach, it's supposed to be nicer. Yeah, try it. It's also good breakfast. So that's it. That is our experiment. So we'll see you again. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.